First up, Marcus, we're asking whether Mario Draghi will be bringing out the big guns.
Yeah, the question is whether or not Mario Draghi is going to fire his bazooka. The pressure has been rising on the European Central Bank and its president to take action to boost the Eurozone economy. And expectations have been building the ECB will try something out of the ordinary on Thursday. This as the central bank's governing council is set to meet. Delano de Souza takes a closer look now at Mario Draghi's arsenal.
All eyes on the European Central Bank. Global markets are eagerly awaiting to see just how drastic Mario Draghi's actions are going to be. With inflation rates sinking to 0.5% in May, well below the 2% the bank's comfortable with, certain countries in the Eurozone risk entering deflation, a scenario the bank wants to avoid. During deflation, consumers delay purchases in anticipation of lower prices. This in turn lowers demand, growth and tax revenue, but pushes up unemployment. While the markets would like to see large-scale stimulus efforts, the ECB's reach is limited.
There's an institutional factor linked to the status of the European Central Bank. It basically has a status that limits the actions it can take compared with the US Federal Reserve, which has more tools at its disposal. The ECB has fewer actions it can take. And on top of that, one of the members of the ECB is Germany, which is very restrictive.
Some experts have indicated Mario Draghi is unlikely to bring out the big guns and introduce a bond buying program similar to the US Federal Reserve. Instead, they say the bank is likely to slash key interest rates and introduce measures to ease borrowing for small and mid-sized businesses. Draghi has so far been reluctant to take extreme measures to speed up Europe's recovery. But with growth in the Eurozone failing to pick up and low inflation, his credibility is now on the line.